Presenting a pre-owned 2006 BMW. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 152,000 miles on the odometer. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger.